Hi there, make some noise for the Elan boys. Okay, bad joke. Here are the newly launched Noise Elan TWS earphones. Now these are premium earphones that come with ENC, Qualcomm aptX support and tons of features like transparency mode and gaming mode. Without wasting any time, let's unbox it, see how they look, they fit and they sound. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend TechSing. Let's get started. Inside the box you have 3 extra pair of ear tips, the earphones themselves and a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. So let's have a closer look at the earphones. Here is the case, it's made of plastic and has a matte black finish. Noise calls this color the shadow grey. We have the Noise branding on the front with 4 LED lights on the top that turn on when the case is charging and also shows you how much charge it's holding. On the back is the USB-C charging port, very convenient as most of us can actually charge this using our phone cables as well. At the bottom is the Noise branding. It also mentions 500 mAh charging case. It weighs just 38 grams and it's really small, easily fits in your pocket as well. Flip open the lid and you see the earbuds. The flip cover is snappy and the hinge feels solid. Let's remove the earbuds. You can see the charging terminals inside the case. Earbuds weigh 6 grams and feel really light. The Noise logo on the top. It has 2 microphones on each earbud, one on the top and one on the side. This enhances the call quality and transparency mode. And there is also an LED light on the top. On the other side, we have the charging terminals and the left or right symbol. Overall, I'd say that the build quality is decent and pretty functional. Time to check out that fit. Yeah, that's the reason I'm actually wearing a cap and not a bandana, because it's very inconvenient with a bandana wearing these earbuds. Alright, I need to tell you is that I didn't change the earbud tips. Now these come separate, you get different sizes. I'm using the one that came fitted on them. You can change it as per your preference. So the first thing I need to tell you is that they get a very good fit. They snug in into your ear canal very nicely and almost cancels out most of the passive sound. Also, they don't pop out like many other earbuds do. You're the best judge for that. You know those earbuds, they pop out of your ears and they look so awkward. These sit in very well. They're also very comfortable and they don't fall off very easily. Super good fit. By the way, these also come with IPX4 rating, which means water splashes and sweat are fine. So wearing them in the rain or even during a workout should be safe. Ideal in fact, considering the comfort. It's been a while since I've worn earbuds that are so comfortable. These are actually good. Alright, moving to the reason why we buy earphones. The sound quality. So I use them very briefly, but I can tell you that these sound terrific. The audio fidelity is actually jaw-dropping from the 6mm drivers. The music sounds rich and you really want to keep listening. Extremely well-balanced sound profile. The perfect kind of bass, deep and thumpy, but not giving you a headache. The right punch and the right amount. The instrument separation was actually quite good. Mids are clear, highs are crisp. You can actually hear the silence between the instruments. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but the audio clarity is amazing. The sound quality actually meets the quality of some super premium above 10,000 earbuds. Really. It also comes with Qualcomm aptX support, and trust me, it enhances the sound quality to the next level. The trick is both products, the phone and the earphones, must have aptX to get that benefit. You can see it on my phone's Bluetooth setting, aptX adaptive. So make sure your phone supports aptX to get the best audio quality from these. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.2. Yes, you heard me right, 5.2. One of the first in the industry, and with that, we get better battery life and transparency mode. Transparency mode is basically an amplification of the ambient sound, so you tap 4 times on the right earbud to enable it. Ideal when you're walking on a busy street to know your surroundings. Very handy feature. For gaming enthusiasts, Noise has got you covered as well. It comes with gaming mode that can be enabled by triple tapping on the right earbud. I'm actually not a gamer, but in my limited time of using these while gaming, I actually didn't notice any lag at all. Noise claims latency of 80 to 90 milliseconds. I'd say they're pretty good for gaming. These are the first ever ENC TWS earphones by Noise. ENC means electronic noise cancellation. It can effectively suppress 90% of the environmental noise, reducing the ambient sound up to 35 decibels. Coming to the battery life, well, Noise claims 8 hours on a single charge at 70% volume. What? 8 hours? That's like all day battery life. Frankly, I haven't got a chance to actually test them because I've just unboxed them, but I will pin an update of the battery life in the comments in the coming week. The earbuds though will take about 2 hours to fully charge when the batteries are depleted and about 40 minutes to fully charge the case. The case holds enough power to charge the earbuds 4 times, which makes it 36 hours of music in your palm. Wow. The Noise Elan is pretty sorted in the battery department. 8 hours music on a single charge is like a cherry on the cake. Amazing. Coming to tap controls, well, it's got them all. Single tap on left or right to increase or decrease the volume, double tap on either to toggle between pause and play, tap and hold on left for previous track, tap and hold on right for the next track, triple tap on the left one to enable voice assistant, Siri for iPhone and Google Assistant for Android. Double tap on either to answer a call when the phone is ringing, tap and hold to reject a call when the phone is ringing, of course, triple tap on the right earbud to enable gaming mode, tap 4 times on the right earbud to enable transparency mode. That literally covers everything. The hard part is remembering them all. But that's okay, once you start using them, you'll learn. Alright, finally, phone call quality. Again, excellent. The twin mics on the earbuds help cancel out the ambient sound and the other person can hear you clearly. Tested them indoors and outdoors, though very briefly outdoors, and the other person didn't know I wasn't using my phone. That's actually great. The best part is that you can even use one if you want to just for phone calls. Convenient. Alright, let's address the cons. Frankly speaking, there isn't much to complain about it considering the superb sound quality. But I would have liked to see a little better build quality of the case. The plastic looks a little substandard, however, it's solid and won't break even if you drop it accidentally. Then there's no proximity sensor to stop playing when you remove the earphones from your ears. But again, these aren't deal breakers. In fact, these are one of those earbuds I would personally love to use. They seem to tick most of my requirements. Excellent sound quality, long battery life, good phone call quality and aptX support. If you're looking for TWS earphones that are feature packed and also provide excellent audio, then these are highly recommended. You can buy these starting today on Amazon and the Noise website for $3,499, which is an introductory price and will later go up to $3,999. So grab one right now. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.